If the side button ends call in iPhone, how to turn it off? So if I am on a call like this and I press the side button, it will lock the phone and also it will end the call. So how to turn this off so that pressing the side button will not end the call? So go to the settings and now scroll down to accessibility. Now go to touch, scroll down. Here you will find the option prevent lock to end call. So from here turn this on. It will prevent the side button from ending the current call. So now if I am on a call and I press the side button, it will not end the call, it will only lock the phone.